Hey everyone, this is Miss Valentine, and you are watching the Ecology Weekly Rundown for the week of February 16th through the 21st. We have a 3-day week this week. There is no school on Monday or on Friday. And the main assignment is the Green Jobs Quiz and Environmental Careers Exploration assignment. So there's only one major assignment this week. Unless you are in cohort B, then you will have a daily log and either a scheduling conference with me about your science classes for next year or a current event assignment if you are a senior. And I explained those last week in the weekly rundown if you need to go back and review those. What I want to do in this video is go over the Green Jobs and Environmental Careers assignment, which is at the very bottom of this week's folder. You are going to need to open up the assignment. I am handing out the written handout, but you do need to open it online to be able to click on the links that are in there. So the first part of the assignment is a green jobs quiz. While you may not have thought of a job in environmental science, we're going to do a personality test that will show you what green job might be a good fit for you if you wanted a career in that field. So what you're going to do is go to this website here. It's the Project Learning Tree website, and you have to enter a code. To find your code, you're going to need to click on the link in the worksheet here and find your code next to your name. So here's my code here. So I would copy and paste it into the spot there. And then it should take me into my quiz. I've already completed the quiz though, so you guys can't see that. It will take you to the quiz. When you get to the quiz, answer it as honestly as you can. Try not to think too hard. Usually these personality tests are more accurate if you just answer it like as it comes to mind. However, if you see words in there that you're not quite sure about, like the word modest, or I'm trying to think what some of the other ones are, intellectual, or any of those words that you're not quite sure if that's what you are, go back and Google those words before you finish and move on to the next page. That way you get a more accurate result. When you get to your results page, you will see a dominant personality type and what it means. So all of these fields here are going to be guided by the website itself. So you will have certain characteristics that you write down. They will suggest 6 careers that you might be a good fit for. And then you want to click on the See All Personality Types and Green Jobs to see if there's any other personality types that you think apply to you and maybe some of the careers that go along with it. Then you'll do a little bit more research about green jobs, what it is, how many more jobs are there going to be in the next 10 years, and then what are some of the benefits. Explain what the benefits are of green jobs. Part 2 of the assignment, and this is what I would say to do on the second day, on Thursday, is going to be researching specific green jobs that sounded interesting to you. So first you're going to list 3 different jobs, and then a 4th career in any area. So if there's another career that you're actually interested in doing, go ahead and put that one down. Might as well use this research tool for the one that you are already thinking about. If you don't have one you're already thinking about, just choose a 4th green job to look into. The information that we're going to be filling in for each job actually aligns with this very first link here on the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. So if you go to this website, this is a really cool tool to use no matter what you want to do. It's got all these different occupations here on the left, but let's just say you are looking for environmental scientist. You can type in the field, hit go, and then click on any of these: conservation scientists, environmental science. So when you click on them, it gives you some quick facts here and some information down here. And you're going to need to look at all of the information to understand exactly or to be able to fill in the worksheet for each of those jobs. If you aren't able to find enough information on the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics site, look on the Ohio Means Jobs site and then on Indeed if you still can't find anything. So you'll do that for 4 different jobs. And then I also wanted to mention that even if you go to school for a different career field, consider doing a minor or a certification in sustainability, because it's a very popular field that companies are starting to look for, and it would be a nice skill to have on your resume. So there are major programs in sustainability, like this one at Ohio State, and then Otterbein University also has sustainability majors and minors. And then even Columbus State has sustainability programs, or I'm sorry, sustainability certificates that go along with their construction management and engineering technology programs. So these are just the local universities that have sustainability minors and majors and certificates, but there are many more out there as well. So I just wanted to throw some of that out there for you to consider, since it is a growing field at this time. If you have any questions about this week, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you all have a good week.